Hi, my dears. Today we are going to discuss the fifth chapter in your English textbook. Chapter 5, Chacha Nehru. And it is given in page number 26 in your English textbook. Chapter 5, Chacha Nehru. Every year, 14 November is celebrated all over India as Children's Day. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. That is why they call him Chacha Nehru, which means Uncle Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889. His mother, Swarup Rani, was a good and noble lady. His father, Motilal Nehru, was a very rich man and busy lawyer. Jawaharlal did not have many friends. He was a lonely child. He loved his mother very much. Although he loved his father and admired him, he was also afraid of him. This was because Motilal Nehru had a very quick temper. He would get angry very easily. This would frighten Jawaharlal. Jawaharlal had a very good friend named Munshiji. Munshiji was an old Muslim clerk who worked for his father. Munshiji knew many stories. He told Jawaharlal many stories about brave people such as Rani of Jhansi who fought against the British. Jawaharlal listened to those stories. He too wanted to fight the British and free India. When Jawaharlal was 15 years old, he was sent to England to study. He went to a famous English school. Jawaharlal used to feel homesick and missed India a lot. He completed his school and college studies in England and came back to India in 1912. He married a lovely girl, Kamala, and became a lawyer like his father. Jawaharlal found that the country was not at all happy under British rule. There were many laws and rules. People could be arrested and put in jail at any time. Mahatma Gandhi was fighting for the freedom of India. He wanted the British to leave our country and go back to their own country. Jawaharlal joined Mahatma Gandhi and a long struggle for freedom began. The leaders of the freedom struggle were arrested again and again. Jawaharlal was sent to jail many times. When he was not in jail, he travelled all over India. He saw how poor and helpless people lived. He wanted to help them. By now, every Indian had heard of Jawaharlal Nehru. They loved him and wanted to follow him and Gandhiji and make India free. When Jawaharlal was not in prison, he was busy lecturing, writing and talking to people. He could spend hardly any time with his family. He wrote letters to his daughter Indira when he was in prison. He wrote to her about our world and how it began. He wrote to her about history and how humans slowly become stronger and cleverer than animals. Indira loved to read his letters. She hardly ever saw her father. She used to wait eagerly for his long and loving letters. Men and women all over India were struggling for India's freedom. They were led by Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. Gandhiji called Jawaharlal India's brightest jewel. Once, while Jawaharlal was in prison, Kamala became very sick. The British told Jawaharlal that he could stay with Kamala if he gave up fighting for India's freedom. But Kamala would not allow him to do so. This brave lady died soon afterwards. Jawaharlal was very unhappy, but the fight for freedom was still going on and he had to forget his own troubles and worry about the country. On 15 August 1947, India became independent. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of Free India. Jawaharlal Nehru is known as the builder of modern India. He loved India and worked very hard to make it a great country. He passed away in 1964.